गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णुः गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरु साक्षात् परं ब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः. Ignorance is our acceptance that we are an individual. It's only an notion we have accepted. There is no data to prove that we are an individual. If we think a little bit coolly, we'll recognize that we are of the nature of infinite reality. Just as yesterday the thought came, just as in the dream, first let's get this out of the way. What is mind? Mind is nothing but consciousness with thoughts. What is ocean? Ocean is water with waves or without waves. But it is water. Same way, mind is what? Consciousness with or without thoughts. Okay, clear? Next step. This mind alone becomes the space, air, fire, water, earth, people, animals, trees, the Jada Vastu, the inert world, and the sentient world. It becomes the birth, death. The mind itself becomes the past and future. The mind itself becomes the breath that is going, because of which all the people in the dream are living. The mind itself becomes life for every living being in the dream. True? This is your data. See? But because of our obsession, just like in the waking, in the dream also, we are obsessed with one body. We don't accept ourselves as the mind which is projecting the entire dream. But this is the truth. None of the things in the dream came from outside. Mind itself became everything. In fact, should not say became. Mind itself is expressing as all the variety. See? And mind is not affected by that variety. Because that variety is, what is that variety made up of? What is the variety in the mind, in the dream made up of? It is made up of the material of which the mind is made up of. What is the material of the mind? Consciousness. So, what is the material that has gone into making all the things and beings in the dream? Consciousness. See? Just like that. Just like that. In the waking also, to accept yourself as an individual mind, you are doing disservice to yourself. In the waking also, the entire creation is part of the is mind only. Mind only is expressing as the entire space, air, fire, water, earth, people, animals, trees, past, future, birth, death, disease, health, time, space, objectivity. All this is nothing but the mind. And what is your mind in essence? Consciousness. Then why are we not having that experience? Your fault. Not fault of consciousness, your fault. Because we have, under the spell of ignorance, chosen, we have only made this choice. We have chosen to be only this body. We have only chosen to be this body. We have only chosen to be this mind. We have chosen this conclusion that this world was there before I was born and this world will be there after I die. We have chosen this conclusion that I was born and one day I will die. We have chosen this conclusion that there is a past and there is a future. You have chosen a conclusion that everything in this world is separate from each other. If you have chosen all these standpoints, why don't you choose what we are explaining just now? That just as in the dream, the mind alone is expressing as the entire experience of the dream, the mind alone is the dreamer, that mind alone is the dream world, and mind alone is the dream experience. And so is true in the waking also. The mind alone expressing as the waker, the waking world and the waking experience. The material that has gone into this waking experience is pure consciousness alone. Bring your attention to that. Only and only when you bring your attention to that all-inclusive consciousness, which rejects nothing, which retains nothing, which accepts everything, only then we will be able to come out of the ignorance that we are living in. Now don't ask what should I do next. Be the consciousness which is expressing as the mind. Consciousness expressing as the total mind is Ishwar Srishti. Consciousness expressing as individual mind is not Ishwar Srishti. That is Jiva Srishti. There is no one mind. That there is your mind, her mind, his mind, my mind. If that is true, then every organ will say, oh, I am special, I have got my own identity. Liver will say, I have got my own identity. This arm will say, I have got my own identity. Leg will say, I have my own identity. Every cell in our body will say, I have got my own identity. It will become a chaos here if everyone does what they are doing. It will never be integrated. And that is what is happening right now. Everyone is doing, so disease. Integration is not there. Same thing at the mind level also. because all these cells, the body, the limbs, the people, they are all nothing but thoughts. And they become a problem to us only because we have accepted them as separate from ourselves. Be the all inclusive consciousness that you are. And think in that angle. What does it mean to be all inclusive? And for that example I given you is of the dream. And for that, the moment you wake up in the morning, for whatever reason, whatever was going on in the dream becomes zero to you. But here in the waking plane, we pull the yesterday's waking into today's waking into tomorrow's waking. Now, right now, we can't do anything about it. That is how we have programmed ourselves. Now, change the program. Bring your attention to the conscious principle and let it unfold. Let it dissolve this obsession. Let it dissolve this ignorance. So today, contemplate on this. If it requires, you can think of the thoughts that I have presented and come to be. Recognize that you are that. You are that infinite consciousness in essence, which is all inclusive.